to go.
Go, 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 go.
Why? You don't want to swim.
I want to swim, so I'm waiting for you.
You're out of time. I think you're out of time.
These Naga girls, they cannot climb hills. Like Toto used to call na, boiler. Now we are going to swimming pool. Ivan, be careful, be careful. Don't jump.
Why?
You can fall. Go slowly, hold the railing and then walk. I think you're advertising for Amazon, huh? I'll ask money from Amazon.
This Amazon bag is really good. It can carry all your stuff. You can pack as much as you want. Your food, your spare clothing.
I'll send this video to Jeff Bezos, okay? And let's see if we get some sponsorship from him. You know, na? I'm unemployed. I need some money.
There you do that.
This is going to go to Jeff Bezos, okay? Be careful, Ivan.
Swimmers are not allowed to swim without life jacket. They are not allowed to bring drinks or any alcohol. Rate jacket 130.
This is where I am going to swim. I don't know about Naga girls, but me and my son, we are going to swim right there. Right there.
Go, go.
Look at this Naga girl, unable to walk at all. Boiler! I will show this to Toto. Kun boiler hai koboy titia. I also carried my son with 2 bags. And I am 40. This is the bridge. We just climbed down. And we came like this, and then this. And now we are going there. Huh? Swimsuit तो ना लगे. Life jacket लेना mandatory ना, वो ले लेते हैं खाली.
But we don't have a spare clothes, huh?
I to just need this. I have.
The rest of us. So you want us to see you?
हाँ.
You brought us here to see you.
हाँ तो ले लो फिर. Go get the thing. You guys go up. Hello. You guys go up. Let's sit there. Sit there, na. তলত আহিব মন নাই খোজ কাঢ়িব পৰা নাই নাগা হয় yes yes लाइफ जैकेट ले लो आयरा के लिए भी ले लो बच्चा का लाइफ जैकेट है बच्चा का लाइफ जैकेट है है now shell me get yourself a boxer na didi ko dada life jacket tu ले आ लाइफ जैकेट I think you guys should have stayed upstairs, no? Huh? This, see how clean and clear this water is. She's buying wo ruk jao Ellie she's taking it Nathaniel she's taking wo Ellie's taking clothes for you guys na this is crystal clear water